Practical ways to earn $50 a day from home through online work. In today's digital world, making $50 a day from home is not only realistic but also achievable with a bit of dedication and creativity. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking to supplement your income, various online opportunities fit different skill levels and interests. Let's explore some practical and human-centered methods you can start using today. Freelancing is one of the quickest ways to earn money online, especially if you have a marketable skill. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer services such as writing and editing, content writing, copywriting, proofreading, or technical writing. You can easily earn between $20 to $50 per article, depending on the length and complexity. Graphic design. If you know tools like Adobe Photoshop or Canva, you can design logos, social media graphics, or website banners. Small projects often pay $10 to $20, so 3 to 5 tasks a day can hit your $50 target. Programming and web development. Even basic knowledge of HTML and CSS can land you small web page design gigs. For experienced coders, a single project could cover your daily goal. Pro tip: start with lower rates to build your profile and gather reviews. Once you have a solid reputation, gradually increase your fees. If you have expertise in a subject, tutoring online can be both fulfilling and profitable. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, Wizant, and Tutor.com connect educators with students globally. Subjects. Popular options include math, science, English, and even music. Language teaching. Native or fluent English speakers can teach English to non-native learners on platforms like italki or VIPKid. Most tutoring sites pay between $15 and $30 per hour. By teaching for 2 to 3 hours a day, you can comfortably earn $50 or more. Example: if you're good at algebra, helping a high school student solve complex problems can be both easy and rewarding. Creating and selling digital products is a great way to generate passive income. Consider these options: ebooks or guides. Write about a topic you're passionate about and sell it on Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing, KDP, or your own website. Online courses. Use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to create courses on anything from photography to coding. Printables, create and sell planners, checklists, or templates on Etsy. Digital products require upfront effort, but once they're live, they can generate consistent income with minimal maintenance. Tip: choose a niche you know well and focus on solving a specific problem for your audience. While not a full-time gig, participating in paid surveys and microtasks can help you reach your daily goal when combined with other methods. Sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer small but quick tasks. Surveys typically pay $1 to $5 each depending on the length and topic. Microtasks, data entry, image tagging, or transcribing short audio clips can pay a few cents to $1 per task. Example: completing 10 short surveys and a handful of microtasks daily could add up to $50. Caution: avoid sites that ask for payment to join or promise unrealistic returns. Stick to reputable platforms. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale through your referral link. It's an excellent option if you already have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following. Choose products wisely. Promote products related to your niche. For example, if you run a cooking blog, promote kitchen gadgets or recipe books. Join affiliate programs. Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank are popular platforms. Example: earning $50 a day might mean selling just a few products with a $10 to $15 commission each. Creating content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok can be lucrative if you build a loyal audience. Here's how: monetization. YouTube pays creators through ads once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. On TikTok, you can join the Creator Fund once you have 10,000 followers. Sponsored content. Brands might pay you to promote their products if you have an engaged audience. Tip: focus on a niche, for example, tech reviews, cooking tutorials, or personal finance tips to attract a specific audience. Many companies hire remote customer service representatives. Roles often include answering calls, responding to emails, or providing chat support. Pay rates, typically $10 to $15 per hour. Flexibility. Many companies offer part-time shifts, making it easier to balance other commitments. Example: Working 4 hours a day at $12.50 per hour hits the $50 mark. Where to apply? Check job boards like Indeed or company career pages for remote openings. If you enjoy crafting or creating art, selling your products online can be both fun and profitable. Platforms like Etsy or Facebook Marketplace are great places to start. You could sell items like jewelry, candles, art prints, or homemade beauty products. Offering personalized options can really help you stand out. For example, selling 2 handmade candles at $25 each can easily make you $50 a day. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs need help managing their day-to-day tasks. As a virtual assistant, or VA, you might handle things like email management, scheduling appointments, and social media posting. VAs typically earn $15 to $25 an hour, depending on experience. A good tip is to offer your services to bloggers or small business owners who need administrative support. Dropshipping involves selling products online without holding inventory. You set up an online store using Shopify, for example, and work with suppliers who ship directly to customers. Aim for products with a 20 to 50% profit margin. Use social media ads or SEO to drive traffic to your store. For instance, selling 5 to 10 items with a $5 to $10 profit each can meet your goal. Making $50 a day from home through online work is entirely achievable with the right approach. Start by assessing your skills and interests, then choose 1 or 2 methods to focus on. As you gain experience and confidence, you can diversify your income streams for even greater financial stability. Whether through freelancing, tutoring, content creation, or selling products, the opportunities are there, you just need to seize them.